Hello student. Today topics is real and apparent depth. Here we are going to calculate refractive index. Refractive index is equal to real depth by apparent depth. Refractive index is defined as the ratio of real depth to apparent depth. And also we have to calculate normal shift. Here O be a point object at the bottom of the beaker containing some liquid, and XY is the interface which separates air from liquid. OA is the real depth and IA is the apparent depth. OA is the rays goes from, it is undivided, goes from air, liquid to air. And another ray at point B, OB, it deviates or refracted from liquid to air. So a ray of light OA goes undifferent into air. Another ray of light suffers at point B. So on coming back, BC meets at OA at I. So I is the virtual image of O. Now OAB is the incident ray and BC is the refracted ray, and NB dash is the normal, so I is the angle of incidence and R is the angle of refraction. Again you see NB dash and this line both are parallel and this is tangential line intersecting, so angle of R, this angle and this angle is equal, and also this angle of incidence and angle of incidence, these two angles are alternate angles, so these alternate angles are equal. Let OBN dash equal to I, OBN dash, this angle of incidence I, and NBC angle of refraction R. From triangle OAB, this is a right angle triangle, so angle of incidence here we are, angle is R, with respect to R, AB is perpendicular, OB is hypotenuse, so sin I equal to AB by OB, and sin R IAB triangle, from IAB triangle, this R, AB is perpendicular, AB by IB. So from triangle IAB. Therefore, refractive index N21 sin R by sin I. Here we are writing the ray of light travels from rare to denser, air to water, say. So that is why angle of incidence will be R, and angle of refraction will be I. Angle of refraction is I. So now we are putting the values. Sin R. Sin R is AB by IB into AB OB by AB. AB cancel, and 2 1 equal to OB by IB. If the points A and B are very close to each other, then OB, A point and B point, these 2 points, A point and B point, very close. If it is very close to each other, then OB will be equal to OA. Actually, we are writing in terms of this line. So OB will be equal to OA, IB will be IA. OB equal to OA and IB equal to IA. Therefore, refractive index N21 OA by IA. Now you see the diagram. OA is the real depth, IA is the apparent depth. So we can write real depth divided by apparent depth. Therefore, N21 a real depth by apparent depth. Now normal shift D equal to how much is shifting? Normal shift OA minus IA. You see, normal shift, this one is normal shift D. This value will get OA minus IA. OA minus IA, that will be the normal shift, which is D. So OA we are taking common, 1 minus IA into OA minus this one we can write 1 upon OA by IA, where here OA is T, real depth. Therefore, D equal to T 1 minus 1 upon N21. Since N21, you see, N21 equal to OA by IA, here OA by IA, we can write N21, and OA is the real depth, T is the normal shift. This is the required expression. So real depth is refractive index is defined as real depth by apparent depth. This is one expression. Another expression is normal shift, how much shifting, D equal to T 1 minus 1 upon N21. Thank you.